All right, here are the 3
Crazies.
water babies.
Okay, go ahead.
I shall now make her some more.
Put your goggles on.
Okay, take your time. Chase them away.
Isn't this awesome?
Okay, one more time, Fan.
I'm a champion.
Oh dear. I don't think that.
I'll edit that part out.
Yeah, please.
One more
Okay,
time, Stan. Here
do
we
it
go.
again. Go down. Go underwater and then come up and just say boo.
Good
It
night.
doesn't really matter what Nathaniel does. It's just funny. I hope he always thinks you're funny.
Yeah. I hope somebody does. All right, everybody say bye.